Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing for you from Fansells and I'm very excited to be doing this one. I picked up something a bit different as I always try to, and yeah, I'm just really pleased to share these items with you. So let's get inside. We've got one big box, I'll leave that to the side, and 2 diamond paintings. Okay, both the diamond paintings are 30 by 30. Find that a really nice little snack size for me to do in between larger projects. This one just really spoke to me. It doesn't want to come out of this packet. There we go. Okay, so, oh, lovely. The drills come pre-bagged. They are round with DMC, all bagged up lovely. And you can see, look at those lovely, lovely purples. So, we've got 18 colours there. Green boat, wax pen. And this is our diamond painting. Obviously, we've got a lot of white in the background and also on the paper that is in the typewriter. But so this is lavender typewriter, and I just thought it was really, really cute and such a lovely image. As someone who loves the colour purple and loves to write, I thought this was, it was very neat. I thought I'm just gonna get rid of some of those creases by loosening that top cover and then laying it back down again. There is one quite intense crease just there, but I think under a couple of books for a day, it'll be absolutely fine. One thing that I was thinking with this, because the paper is blank, is maybe I might try to add something there. Maybe write a word. I'm not sure. The thought is there. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that. But this gorgeous little painting was £2.99. So great little starter project. It is clear as a bell to read, really, really lovely. You've got no guide circles on the white, so hopefully you shouldn't get any obvious colour showing through there. It is all letters as your symbols. Yeah, no complaints at all. This is gorgeous, and yeah, it's definitely going to go into a rotation of diamond paintings pretty quickly, I think. So the next one, as I say, is also a 30 by 30. This is, again, we've got our round diamonds coming pre-bagged in resealable baggies. Slightly different selection of colours this time. But nonetheless, boat wax pen. And then here we have, it's called Lovebirds because it's 2 birds within this heart of flowers. These are magpies, obviously. This one has, this is a slightly softer feeling canvas. Not by much, but just by a little bit. Definitely it's instantly flatter. So I think there's just a little bit softer canvas. It will need a bit of washi around the edge when I'm doing it because there's quite a lot of overhang on the glue on this one. I didn't notice that on the other one at all, but it's all good. So these lovely little magpies with flowers, 20 colours on this one, so a little bit more. We have still got alphabet symbols. We have got DMC at the side. And yeah, I think this will come up really nice. 30 by 30, obviously, I would assume that means it's going to be a 25. Yeah. Ooh, 24. 24 by 24. So what's this one? $24.5. Okay, so yeah, as with most of the budget paintings, you will tend to lose a little bit around the edge in terms of the announced size, because they do include this border, but that's fine. I think that for this size and this amount of detail in a painting, I think this is going to work up lovely. This was also just $2.99. So again, really nice painting if you're looking to do something. Again, you know, we've got Mothering Sunday coming up. Something like this could be very lovely. Even the typewriter one could be very lovely. Gifting something like this to someone who you want to encourage to start diamond painting, something of this size is going to give them a good opportunity to see if they like it, but it's not so big that they're going to feel overwhelmed. I love that the drills come pre-bagged in reusable baggies, so if you don't want to kit up into separate pots, you don't have to, and you don't have to worry about opening a pack and then not being able to seal them up again. So that's really, really nice. So those are my two diamond paintings that I got. And then I always like to try and get something a bit different. And this is what I got this time. So can I get this open without destroying my nails? Okay, so still diamond painting, obviously. It is a tiny little tea tray. Let's get into this. Sorry, very rattly. So we get boat wax pen and a few little baggies. We've got our drills here. They are not pre-bagged. They're on a little strip of drills, but you can see the colours there. I'm not going to get those out. You know what drills look like. Here we have got the... Oh, nice. Okay. So here we've got a Perspex cover for the tray. This will have a coating on it, which is why it looks white, but you peel that off and then it will be clear. We've got the fixtures for making the tray, and it even comes with screws and a screwdriver to put it together. So very cool indeed. We have got our instructions. So do the diamond painting, remove the protective film, put the tray together, set it all together, enjoy. This is our little legends. We've got a floating legend. So we've got alphanumeric symbols and DMC for this one, 24 colours. And here is our little diamond painting, which again has a clear coat on it. So the one thing you won't be able to do with this is use a light pad, because it is a wooden back, but you would not need to. Look at the clarity there. It's so, so clear. And yeah, I just thought this was so cute. So we've got these lovely little cupcakes, and then this is going to be turned into a gorgeous little tea tray like the one in the picture there. So yeah, I think this is fab. Would make a great gift. I'm all about gifting, because if I kept every single diamond painting thing that I ever made, I wouldn't have room for anything else in the house. So it's always worth considering whether you can gift stuff. This whole tray kit, $15.99, which I think is very reasonable for a craft project, art project, that is very reusable. You could easily get a couple of mugs on here, mug and a plate of biscuits even. It's not quite big enough to eat your dinner off, but you could eat a sandwich. So are my Fansells items for now. I will of course show them to you as soon as they are done, and I will try and get them done as quickly as possible, but these things are not always possible. So, but I am actually really looking forward to working on these. I can't wait. So yeah, as always, let me know down in the comments which one you like best. Do you think that you would get yourself a diamond painted tea tray? Would that be something that you would want in your house? Would you buy it as a gift? And if you've got other suggestions of diamond painted items that aren't pictures, do let me know, because I'm always looking for different things to try. I've done the drinks tumbler, I've done cup mats, I've done bookmarks, luggage tags. So yeah, let me know if you've spotted something that I might not have seen, and maybe I'll go test it out myself. So thanks for coming with me on this journey. As always, please do those YouTubey things. Leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and become a member of the Crafty Coven. You can find more videos from me over on Patreon if you wish to support the channel a little bit more over there as well. Thank you to Fansells for letting me share these items. I really am blown away really by the quality and the value that these represent. So yeah, until next time, stay crafty.